Well, hello family, friends, and YouTube. This is going to be hopefully my first vlog from my new camera setup. I'm just in this little bitty neighborhood, so this audio quality may not be that bad. This is a visor up, and I guess it would sound a little different with the visor down. But anyway, I'm just going to go for a little ride and see how this audio works out, or this new setup. Pretty much close to that same neighborhood I was at yesterday. But I'm going to go out here and take a little ride. I just wanted to say to everyone, I closing that visor because of this wind. I want to thank everybody for all the comments that you've submitted to me. I've been getting a lot of comments, and I'm impressed with that. A lot of people have ideas, suggestions, and again, I don't know how the sound quality is. If you caught my third video of my first ride, you will know that the audio quality was not good. I had to narrate that video. This one here, I'm not narrating, but I anticipate, based on the little sound bar at the bottom of the camera, I anticipate this wind to be pretty intense. So the quality of the audio may not be as good, but what I have done is, after yesterday's ride, I decided that I ordered a windshield. I watch videos, as I do with everything, and I just happened to come across a video of the F4 and another videos of the show chrome tall. Cruiseman once again has a video. Him and Robert White was doing a video on the tall windshield from I think it's called a slip streamer. But anyway, I used that link and I ordered that windshield. I hope to have it here Monday. I want them tall. I'm looking for a tall windshield. And I think that was a Harley that accidentally waved to me. They don't know this is a Goldwing because I don't have the trunk on the back. But then again, I don't even know if that applies anymore. I think motorcyclists pretty much they're friendly with everybody. Used to, back in the day, if you rode any kind of motorcycle other than a Harley, Harley riders weren't going to wave at you. Now, I'm pretty sure that's changed because I haven't really met any Harley riders that are unfriendly. I'm sure there's some out there. But I'm riding right now at 40 miles an hour. As you can see, I have 78 miles on here. And after that ride yesterday, I really don't even think about the handling anymore. Everything is running smooth. But anyway, that windshield, the reason I lean towards that windshield because I'm 6 foot 240 pounds, and at 6 foot, Cruiseman, he was taller than I am, and he mentioned the fact that he can see over the top. And I told y'all on the last video that I'm looking for comfort, and based on what I saw from that video, him and Robert, alternating on and off the bikes, I'll include a link to that video, but they're alternating on and off the bike with that windshield. And I'm sorry, I just like the idea of the extra wide. I want a wind pocket. I want a bubble. I want to be in my own little bubble. Now, a lot of people say, well, you might as well be in a car if you're doing that. Why don't you just get in a car? Well, that's up to y'all to judge somebody. I don't judge people. I'm going to ride in comfort. I plan on doing some long distance riding on this bike, and I knew after yesterday's ride that I had no choice but to invest in a taller windshield. If you just to get this part out the way, if you look at my videos, I have a naming system, and I know all my intros to my videos have the same screen and all that, and you know, I like the little blue screen with Bluebell on it. But if you look at the intro screen, you'll notice that I number them in the upper right hand corner. I'll have S24 and then E something. The S24 stands for series, the year 2024, and the E stands for the episode that I filmed, in case you wanted to follow me through all of my videos. You'll notice that I have a category. Of course, all of them right now are listed as Motovlogs, but I assume down the road I will be listing them differently. I may have a few things that I want to talk about or something. It won't necessarily be a motovlog, so I'll be able to change that category. And of course, if I was doing a maintenance video, which, as I said before, there's no need for me to do maintenance videos, but if I were to do a maintenance video, I would probably have that section say maintenance. Maybe next year I'll do something different. I know everybody tries to attract attention with all these fancy splash screens and all that, but I want you to join me because you want to join me, not because I got some gizmo or a clickbait trying to attract your attention. I'm going on my life journey, and I'd like to take my family and my friends with me, and of course some of you that would like to join, great. But anyway, I expect to have that windshield in, and then I will do a video on the new show chrome tall windshield. I'll let you know how I feel about that, because this short one here is not going to work for me. But again, I know I seem like I mentioned Cruiseman a lot. I'm sorry. I think he's become my hero on YouTube. I do respect what he says. Many of the things I purchased is based on his recommendations. So I know he's talking about possibly getting out of reviewing products, but if Cruiseman didn't endorse a product, I'm not likely to buy it. That's just me. And if you didn't know, like I think my first video, I got a response. Cruiseman made a comment, and that was a big deal to me. It might be common to many of you, but to me, Cruiseman commenting on one of my videos, I was impressed. That is almost the same as if Taylor Swift was to call you out of the blue. You know, now Cruiseman is the Taylor Swift of Gold Wing YouTube videos, and I was floored to get a comment from Cruiseman himself. Now, if some of you think that sounds weird, well, it kind of does, but we're not going to go down that road. I admire Cruiseman, Robert White, Chris, even though he has not commented on any of my videos. I don't follow a whole lot of people. If I see something I like, I watch them. Cruiseman caught me with that, with his years of experience with the Gold Wings, and of course, almost at my time, almost every channel you'd watch, you'd see something with Cruiseman on it. So I got kind of wrapped up in his videos. It's not a man crush anybody or anything like that. It's just I like the Cruiseman. For those of you who also hear me every now and then talk about Robert White, I enjoy Robert White's content as well. And if you didn't see any of his photography, very, very impressive. He's like a rock star too. So I don't want to drag this video out for a long period of time because I'm going riding, and I just thought I would just start off something to, you know, mainly test out this new equipment here. I know I have audio again because this new camera system I have on here shows the little green bar, unlike what I was using yesterday. So my next video will be when I have the show chrome shield in, and we'll talk about that then. Till next time, thank you very much for watching.